Yeah. So you guys are my hired gun. You guys, you get to come into my organization and help explain the things that I've said over and over and over. Um, and we've always heard this, people need to hear something between 7 and 12 times, but there's just times where you as the owner come off a little bit differently to your team members. And so having you guys come in and speak into them is so valuable because it's little bite-sized pieces. You've got structure to your week. And so I can say the exact same things that you guys are saying, but the magic happens after the discussion, after the podcast is done. And when we hear things in the background, like one of our technicians will say, Eric was talking about the exact same thing that John talks about all the time. John's my business partner, and so he facilitates the meetings just about every day. And so you guys speak to them in terms that where it's very difficult for us to connect with the technicians.
Yeah. And the thing is that it's like your uncle. You'll listen to your uncle, but you won't listen to your dad.
That's right. Yep. Even Jesus said it, a prophet is not welcome in his own land. And so that's where it comes from. It comes off differently when you guys say it. It comes off more genuine. It's caring. They hear it, rainbows and unicorns break out. John and I say it. It's like thunderclaps, and people are crying in the corner. So